Lake Texoma. The wind is blowing. We got good bait. I forgot my remote for my trolling motor. Figures. Let's click that one. I got baits out. Way up by the river. Water's super muddy here. Hopefully we'll get a toad, man. I've got the Azul's right over there. I didn't even know he was coming today, but I can see his boat right there. I'm waiting at him to pass on. We're gonna see what we can do, man. We're drifting right along here. So trolling motor is useless. I forgot the remote. I have to get used to it, man. Anyway, stay tuned, guys. Nice grab right here. Nice. Awesome. Get out of here, buddy. I've had the worst day blue cat fishing I've ever had. Not because it sucks, I've had that happen before. I flipped out of the kayak when I got hung up in someone's goofy ass jug line. So I ended up falling out of the kayak. I lost 2 rods. My buddy Chris was out here today. I didn't even know he was going to be out here, and he ended up catching my rod, the catnip right here. I had just replaced an eye right down there, and now I'm going to have to replace this eye, go through the reel, but at least I got it back. I lost another spin fisher when I fell out of the kayak that flipped out. It's just been a mess today, guys. A freaking hot mess. I don't know how other to say it than that. This lake is a pain in the rear. And the fishing has not been very good. I've caught 1 striper, very few bites all day, and I've had great bait. Been in a pretty good looking spot. I don't know, water's 62 degrees. It's 6 foot deep right here, and we're just drifting along. I got my drift socks hung up in a log over there. Had to cut 2 of them, so I'm gonna have to repair those somehow later on. It has just been a freaking debacle today, man. That's the only way to describe it. It's been a shit show for sure, but maybe we'll get something here. I just feel like I've been messing with stuff, trying to get stuff untangled all day long. It all started when I left my remote for my trolling motor back at the house, and it hasn't got any better from there. I hate to bitch about fishing, but this has been the worst day fishing I think I can remember, as far as just pain in the butt, stuff going wrong. I nearly swamped the kayak twice already. It's just been a mess, and pretty dangerous at that, man. With these, I guess this shallow water really had these waves picked up and close together, and it's just, I don't know how to say it other than it's just been a mess, guys. A mess all day. We're gonna keep fishing though. I'm already here, soaking wet. I shivered for about 3 hours earlier, and I'm finally feeling a little better. So we'll see. It's been a freaking hard day. Texoma blue cat calling. drop the drift off. Come on. Keep on. He's moving the boat. I ain't gonna drop. This drift's got small. God, it felt good. It felt like a snag when I first had it. No, I got some weight. Oh yeah. He's rolled up in it. Packed in the pool. Oh! Oh! I got some fish crabs. See what we can do. We can get a hold of this thing. I don't know. Come on. Oh, got one of these Texoma pigs. Oh, rods on the water. Whew. God, he felt like a snag when I first set the hook on. God, he's a big one. Oh. Freaking wind. Something else out here, guys. I just have to play this fucker out, man. He is not done. These spring fish are... I had a good hook set on. God. Oh yeah. Come on, get up here. It's an angry fish. Alright, let's see if we can lead her in. Get him before he rolls off there. Caught. That's a good one. Oh yeah. Big Texoma blue. Oh yeah. Whew. That's a beast. Look at the head on that thing. The camera's moving everywhere. This way. Beast! Beast of a catfish right there. Whew! Oh, I can barely hold that sucker up. Oh, look at that. Good God. Nice one. That was worth the trip right there. Finally. Whoa, hang on now. I'm gonna let you go. God, gonna knock me out of the kayak. Let's try that. Kept fishing. It's your fault. Big old triple thread hook right there. Nasty. Hell.